Sometimes, we need to step away from the noise of the city, the traffic, the deadlines, and the endless rush. Nature reminds us that life doesn't always have to move so fast. In the quiet of the mountains, the sound of the waves and flowing water, and the gentle whisper of the wind, we find space to breathe, reflect, and simply be. So, take a moment to slow down. Leave the hustle behind. Let nature calm your mind and restore your soul. Sometimes, peace is found when we finally become still.